Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I will make an articulated bat for Halloween. I start by covering an image of bat's skeleton with a recycled transparent plastic bag. Then, with my hot glue gun, I draw the skeleton. For the skull, it is necessary to reverse the image before printing it to have both sides of the skull. Now I free the bat from the plastic bag. I take two parts of the skull and glue them, leaving a space in the center of the skull. Then I glue the lower jaw with a drop of hot glue. Here I glue ribs one by one on the spine. Now the skull. I glue a metal wire inside the skull and glue it to the spine. It's time to make a teeth. I make a drop of hot glue that I stretch slightly with a sharp object and let cold it. After cutting the skeletal joints, I add a 26 gauge metal wire, but you can use another gauge. I can now make it pose. Then I do the same for the legs and paws. All I have left to do is to install the bat on the branch and to illuminate it with a strobe light. If you like this video, click like, share it with your friend and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video. Thank you.